Today, I'll show you how to change the watch face on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. So on the watch face, swipe up from the bottom to access the app menu. Then scroll down and locate the settings option. So scroll down, find settings, tap on it. Then within the settings, tap on the option band displays. Tap on that. And here, you'll see a list of the watch faces. So choose the watch face you'd like. So for instance, let's use this one as the watch face. So tap on it and that will be your new watch face. So additionally, you can customize this watch face. So what you have to do is long press on the watch face. And then you tap on the settings icon that appears. And from here, you can choose the style you'd like for your watch face. So let's say, for instance, if I want the blue style or the red style, choose that and tap on the check mark, and that will apply the changes. So additionally, you can change the watch faces using the Mi Fitness app. So grab your phone that has been paired to the Smart Band 9, then launch the Mi Fitness app. And then within the Mi Fitness app, tap on device at the bottom, and then tap on manage band displays rather. So from here, you can see two categories, the online category and the local category. So the local category is basically all the watch faces that are currently installed on your Smart Band 9. And the online category is whereby you can find other watch faces. So come here and find any watch face you'd like. So let's say, for instance, I like this watch face. Tap on it and then tap on apply, and the watch face will be installed. So give it a few seconds, and as you can see, the watch face has been applied on your Smart Band 9. So that's basically how to change the watch face on the Xiaomi Smart Band 9. Thanks for watching. Leave any questions in the comment section below, and I'll see you on the next one.